On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem on Google Maps on Android and iOS. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix any glitch you have in Google Maps, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps here, and after that go to the apps here in the top and then click on app maps right here. Now all what you have to do on this page is go to the power usage details and make sure to enable the power consumption alert right here, and then go back, click on open by default and make sure to allow this option right here, and then go back again and this time click on storage and click on clear data. And now all what you have to do is reopen Google Maps and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.